Alright, so today is Sawmill maintenance day. We're actually driving here to the mill now. We got to do a little welding, got to go pick up our welding truck. And the mill shut down today, so today's the day I do a lot of my fabricating and stuff that broke during the week and just getting it all fixed back up. It's kind of new, might not enjoy it. There might be something nobody's interested in, but sure just pull us to the mill now. But just pulled in. If you like this stuff, you know, drop a comment. Keep it going. Might do this every Friday, just kind of giving you guys a inside view of the old sawdust on the collar life out here. Pump her up a couple times here. Lumber stacking today when the mill's shut down. 3-inch lumber, 3 baits, 3 12s, 3 10s. Need our gloves here. Don't need no sleeves. Leave those for the ladies out there. We're working on what you call the big gang today. Jump chains going to the big gang at least. Control room for the gang saw. This is our gang here. There's a gang and there's different blades in there. I don't know if you can see them. So like I got a, so I can get this right here. Like a 3-inch set, 2 1-inch sets, 6-inch set, 4-inch set, 1 inch in between. So whenever I send that cant through there, it'll bring boards on the other side. Yeah, so here's our problem. You can see here's our problem here. I don't know if you can see that crack. This thing broke while we were running and we were able to weld it on this one side, which we're going to put a lot more 70-18 on this. And then we'll slap our old gussets. Slap our old gussets on each side of it. Eventually do all of these like this. And this is what it is. It comes from our head saw. Hits this jump chain and goes to our gang. So now that we're shut down, this one we're going to get this booger fixed up, get strong. Now we're going to go ahead and fill up this grab with 60-11 and we'll cap it with some 70s. We'll do that 60, that way you get a good old root in that bugger. We got our gussets in place here. We got our tubing all welded up. This bugger should be strong enough not to break no more. In the future, as they break, we'll just put them old gussets on each and every one. It's my head maintenance man, Charlie Farley here. Charlie, think that's gonna hold? Yep. Said it's gonna hold, so it's gonna hold. Move on to the next project here in the old Sawmill.
That shit ain't going anywhere.
Not going anywhere, he says. So it ain't going nowhere. Yep. Now we gotta go work on our head saw, which is where the log starts off after it comes out our debarker. Old Carriage. Now, a lot of you don't know nothing about sawmills, but this is about as old school as it gets when it comes to sawmill. And you walk to a big mill, you ain't gonna see one of these buggers right here. Old Carriage. Call it a carriage, it's on a set of tracks. Train carriage goes back and forth. Past that, we're working on what you call a log turner. Old chains got loose, my cleats have gotten a little dull. I can't flip the logs as fast as I can, so we're gonna tighten that old bugger up and we'll sharpen our teeth. This homemade teeth I put on here. So we'll sharpen these corners so that bugger will grab the log, flip it over faster. The faster I can flip it, the faster I can saw it, the faster I can make $1. Get it on out of here. And that's where we were just working earlier. If I can zoom in. That's a jump chain we were working on. I got a stop that'll come up right there and then send them over here to the unscrambler and up to my gang. Big gang, little gang. What I got here is like some 120 chain. Like I said, some homemade cleats welded onto it. Got 2 bearings on each side with a little pusher bolt. Ain't too loose. Still loose enough to cause a little bit of slack and making it a little inconsistent to my log. 4 15/16 bolt and pusher bolt. One on each side. We'll break those loose, tighten her up just a little bit, and then we'll be good to go on that. Pretty simplistic system here. Now we got those tightened. We're going to work on these cleats. See the little rounded corners, not as sharp as they once was. Now, I know it don't seem like much, but that little bit of roundness is all it takes for that thing to just round off against the log instead of hooking and grabbing. Like I said, that slows down production, and production is time and time is money. That one out there, it definitely needs a little tender. So what we're going to do, we're just going to sharpen these edges, get a nice sharp point. Do this typically about once every few months. It's not too average to do it, but you do have to do it some. Proper maintenance prevents piss poor, proper planning prevents piss poor performance. I think that's how it goes. Never been much of a planner, but we're starting now. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give y'all a little more in-depth of what goes on around here. A little bit of sawmill action, what puts some money on the table. More logs, and we lock caught ready to rock first thing Monday morning. If this is something y'all like, let me know. Drop a comment. Let me know what you're interested in. Want to see some shots of the mill running. We're going to get some of that in the future. We're going to get more and more maintenance videos, get more and more in depth of what each machine does, why we're fixing it, and the future plans of the sawmill. We're adding a lot of new things, and we'll get a little more in depth to that in the future as it proceeds to get built. So thanks again for watching this video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment. Thanks again. Y'all have a good one. Keep on keeping on.